Recording.
So here I am at world famous Pops on world famous Route 66 in not so world famous Arcadia, Oklahoma. So I just topped off my tank with fuel, stopped in for a very refreshing bottle of peach soda. Pops is supposed to have over 700 varieties of soda pop. They also have a pretty good hamburger too. Get some air. It's a hot day here in Oklahoma. So I was wondering about the wind noise in this camera, and it was pretty bad at higher speeds on my first video. I realized I didn't have my helmet closed completely all the way, so I wonder if it's any better now. We'll see when we get home. So I wanted to talk a little bit about fit on your bike. Crazy important thing. You read about it, I'm sure you've heard about it, talk to people, whatever, they all say it. You're never really going to know until you're on it, and especially if you ride it. So I did not have a bike before I got my MSF training, and I had to wait several weeks for my class to arrive. So in the meantime, I visited a lot of the dealerships in the area, sat on a lot of different bikes, mostly Harley Davidsons and Indians. So this one probably fit me as good or better than anything that I sat on. Another good fit was a Harley Davidson Softail Slim. I guess I fit okay on the Sportster, but just something about it just wasn't that comfortable. Maybe it was the handlebars they had on them, the ones that I tried. I'm sure I could have probably made some modifications and this, that, and the other thing, but ultimately, I didn't want to have to do all that right off the bat, so this one was a good fit. Another one that fit me really good is another bike I'm considering down the road is the 2022 Indian Chief Dark Horse. That thing fit me pretty good too. Now when I say fit, everybody has their own comfort zone and what they think fits. For me, obviously I wanted to be able to flat foot the bike. Really important to me, being a new rider. A little bit about my stature. I'm 5'7". I weigh about 160 pounds. The Levi's that I wear are 33 waist and 30 inseam. So that'll give you a little bit of an idea. So this bike I flat foot no problem. Softail Slim no problem. So I highly recommend sitting on some bikes. Have the salesperson allow you to hold the bike upright. And that way you can put your feet on the pegs and feel what the riding position is like. So also pay attention to the handlebars. Personally, I don't like the hunched over riding position. So it's really important when you're just, learning your skills. At least I found it was. So everything that I'd heard from people who supposedly know everything, most of them gave me the same advice that I'm going to give you, is just find something that fits. It's really important. I just live a few miles from Pops on Route 66. It's a favorite of mine to stop in, get something cold to drink, have a hamburger, cheeseburger, fries. Oh, they also have fantastic milkshakes. So if you're ever in this area, highly recommend you stop at Pops. Check them out. It's one of those cool Route 66 places that one of the must stop. Should be on everybody's list. So I'm going to do some reviews on how this bike is equipped. I'm also going to do some reviews on gear that I've purchased. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with all of my gear. Of course, there's always things on your wish list. And so in time, hopefully we will get to experience some of those things, and we will do good reviews on everything. I want to share my knowledge, my experience. Probably least important would be my opinions on this journey, the bike, the products, my journeys. So stay tuned to my channel. Please hit the subscribe. I'd like to have, just like anybody else who does this kind of thing, we want to get subscribers. So, I'm going to sign off for now. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you do. If you don't, do like my mother said, if you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all. So this is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Have a great ride.